It was going faster earlier because I could hear it ripping. Well, at least it's going through there. This shit does flood back here. Across to that side ain't that dumb. I don't want to go through right there and then I get swiped in there. That part's deep right there. We got a new river coming through the ranch. I wish it would stay this way, that'd be cool. My feet all the way up. That old freezer or whatever got swiped down the damn river all the way from back there all the way down somehow. Must have been a heavy flood. You can see the sides, how big it was, full of water. It actually even came over the highway. Over the fence, look. Elk jumped that fence. Imagine there's not even a fence there. It's all covered. When I came home earlier, there was nothing. And then it rained for like a good 50 minutes, and that was it. Flood. I said, whoa, when I passed it, okay? So now I'm happy because I didn't have to look too hard. Awesome, guys. Okay, I'm going for it. Oh, nice find. It might have got washed up with all the water. If you can see, there's a lot of water that got washed up. This probably got washed up too. So beautiful find for me. Oh, son of a bitch. Look at that mud. Damn it. I just got my shoe muddy. But how, brother? Look at that. What a beautiful find. Yes, sir. I have to come back over here and look for more. But right now, wow, pretty fresh. Wowzer, brothers. I'm a happy camper, bro. You see me? I'm a happy guy now. Lo and behold, this is a fresh antler. Hope you guys like it. Nice, nice, nice. Good fight. Look at what else I found that got washed up. Okay, so that's what it looks like on the bike. It's awesome. Love it. Glad I found it today. And guess what else I had found? I think this is part of an antler that I had found probably about a month ago. It's a piece that I found. I have it at home, so I'm thinking this is it. My bike's been through shit with all the rain lately, but that's what I love about the Kawasaki Brute Force. Kicks ass every freaking time. Then it's got like the 2-inch lift. I love this bike, guys. Fresh antler, beautiful.